Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change the donation or tip language that appears on your Streamlabs donation page. First, go to streamlabs.com and open your dashboard. On the left side panel, look for the Earn and Grow section. Under that, click on Tipping to open your My Tips page. Below My Tips, you'll see 4 tabs. You'll start on the Tip Methods page. Click the one next to it, which is the Tip Page Design. You'll see 2 sections here, Content and Design. Make sure you're in the Content section. Under Content, you'll see the option called Preferred Lingo. It's set to tip by default. Click the drop down, and you'll see the option Donation or Custom. I'll select Custom, and you'll see a text box appear below. I'll enter Dono as a slang version of donation. You can enter a different word that makes sense to your viewer base or simply select donation. Once you're done, click the Save Changes button. A pop-up will appear on the top right of the screen saying that the settings have been saved. To check if it worked, scroll back up until you see the Your Tip Page section. Click the link to copy your tip page URL. Open a new tab, paste the link, and press enter. Now let's look at the donation section. As you can see here below, the button is now set to Send Dono. If you want to learn how to change your Streamlabs donation page title and add social media links, watch the next video.